Hey guys, welcome back to Tech VP channel. And today's question is
Uh,
uh,
fine.
find factorial of a given number. So in this we have to firstly take a scanner class to take the input from the user. After that we have to prompt for the input, and after that we have to initialize our variable. Okay, variable. This one is our data type int, and this one is a variable name fact. You can choose or type any name, whatever you want. But in our case, we are taking fact. Fact means factorial. Okay, and always initialize with the one. Why? The reason is that if you initialize 0 here, then always be multiply with the 0. Your given number will be multiplied by 0. And if you have to multiply any number with the 0, then output always becomes 0. So that's why we have to use always 1 here. Okay. After that, we are using here for loop. And in the for loop, again, we have to initialize our variable by 1. Okay, if we have to initialize by 0, then it is again multiply by 0 and output will become 0. And after that we have to provide condition, it is less than or equal to num, until unless your condition is fulfilled, this one. Okay, and incremented by 1. After that we have to uh, in the our initialized variable in the fact, we have to multiply by I. Okay, and lastly we have to print out our factorial. Okay, and this one is followed by the comma. But there is a basic logic after the initialization. This one we going with in this case. Okay, firstly we have to take the input, any number input, then initial state fact 1. One I have already conveyed you why we are taking 1 here, why we are not taking 0. Okay, and the iteration is going this one. Firstly, once your I is equal to 1, then I 1 into 1 equals to 1, it will be print 1. And once your condition is true, and then it will be become in the next iteration, then your I will be 2, and 1 into 2, it will be output is 2. And then your iteration third, in third iteration it will be multiply by 2 and 3, then output will be 6. After that 6 and 4, and output will be 24. And after that 24 into 5, and output will be 120. So this one is a basic logic to find the factorial. So let's see how we'll do. So in this, firstly we have to take scanner class to take the user input. Scanner, scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, so in this we have to take the input from the user. Okay, so here we are using sys out to print the statement, please enter any number. Okay, any number, you have to type here any number. After that we are going to initialize our number, user number, with the number provided by the user. We have to take means we have to prompt a message to user, please enter any number. Okay, int. So we are typing here input number equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and after that we have to initialize our variable int fact equals to 1. Why we are using 1, I have already explained you. If we have to take 0 here, then always multiply by 0 and output will become 0. So that's why we are taking 1 here. Now we are going with the for loop, and in the for loop we have also initialize our I with the 1. Okay, and I less than equals to input number less than equals to number. Okay, and then incremented by 1. Okay, and then we have to store our output in this one, in our factorial, and multiply by I. Okay, after that we have to provide our print statement. here sys out. Sys out means system dot out dot println and fact your variable name. Okay, just let me concatenate this one so that it will be more clear to you. Yeah, so this one is a basic program. So let me run this program. Okay, so I'm entering here 5, and this one is this one 1 2 6 24 and 120. Okay, if I want to print in the same line, then I have to remove here ln. Okay, so here I am typing number 5 and this one. Okay, if we have to initialize here by 0, okay, then see output 5, so you are getting always 0. So that's why we are taking here input is 1 here and here. Okay, so this one is a basic simple logic to find the factorial. Hope this video will be helpful for you to crack the interview, because in the most of the time interview this question is asked by the freshers as well as sometime with the experienced person. So thank you guys watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.